Hi there, thanks for tuning into this video. If you're new to using Google Meet or Open Meets and want to know how to create and join a meeting quickly, you're in the right place. In this tutorial, I'll walk you through each step clearly and simply. First, open Meet's app on your device. Next, look at the bottom left corner and click on the New button. Then, choose the option that says Create a new meeting. After that, a message may appear. Click on Got it. Now, you'll see a meeting link that you can share with others to invite them. If you want to join this meeting yourself, go back to the dashboard. Finally, click on the meeting you just created. Then click Join. Thanks for watching this guide. If you found it useful, feel free to like, share, and subscribe for more easy tutorials. Let us know in the comments if you have questions.